For tonight's meal, we are going to be making a delicious and easy one-pot butter chicken recipe with an Indian Raita side salad. This is a perfect weeknight meal as it's fast to make, produces lots of leftovers for lunch the next day, and cleanup is a breeze with the reduced cookware required. In a large pot, start by melting a few tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Next, stir in 1 medium minced onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. With the burner set to medium heat, saute slowly until the onion caramelizes to a medium dark brown. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. If the onions look like they're browning too quickly, reduce the heat and continue stirring. Time is key to producing a full-flavored caramelized onion that doesn't taste charred. Next, add the remaining 3/4 cups of butter, three cups of heavy cream, and 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Stir well to combine, then add in the spices. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Stir everything to combine and simmer on extremely low heat, stirring occasionally for about 10 minutes. Add 1½ pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into bite-sized chunks. We also enjoy using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It just depends on what we can find at our grocery store. We added a couple more tablespoons of tomato sauce to the pot at this point to improve the look and taste of the curry. This is completely optional. Let simmer on low for 25 minutes until the chicken is done. The internal temperature should be at 165 degrees Fahrenheit for the chicken. Be careful not to boil the sauce. You want to preserve the creaminess of the dish and the tenderness of the chicken. Next, we're going to move on to making the vegetable raita. In a bowl, stir together 3 cups of plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. On top of the yogurt mixture, place your chopped up vegetables. Our mixture includes cucumber, cherry tomatoes, yellow onion, green bell pepper, and a jalapeno pepper. Lastly, garnish with some cilantro and you're done! To plate your butter chicken, start off with a bed of white rice on one side of the plate, and then place a scoop of buttered chicken partly on the rice, allowing it to spill over to the empty sides of the plate. And that's it! This one-pot butter chicken recipe is perfect for the entire family. It's easy enough for kids to help make, and is something we're sure you'll want to add into your rotation of dishes. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when we release new videos.